So welcome to Silex Bridge walk. So the return is approximately 13.2. My watch, water, 1/4. Just passed. Amazing. Good experience. Ferrari, there's a Porsche. So walking towards CCLX. Lakaw lang ta guys. Lakaw lang ta. So gamay ng tubig. So mindset is all we need. Go, go, go. Target is 3 hours plus to walk the 16 kilometers. I usually walk 5 kilometers per hour, but in this case there's an incline in the bridge and the direct heat is affecting the performance of my body. So hydration is the key when walking, long walk, burning fats. If you wanna get lean, just walk. No running, just walking. It will have a big difference in your body. Now my body is consuming the fats because I have fasted around 12 hours. No eat, just water. And my knees start to feel the numbness, and the toe tips are also started to feel uncomfortable. And my very comfortable shoes, the X-Step, is doing its job to be comfortable in the long walk. So this is the X-Step. Yeah. See, after walk I need to kick to stretch the hamstring, or do a cool down stretch after. So this is just the view. Already almost at the tip, 1 kilometer away, or 500 meters more to reach the first pillar. Yeah.